Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to bookmark tweets on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Suppose the second tweet is what I want to bookmark. Tap on it. Now there you will see 4 icons. Tap on Share icon on your right side of your screen. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Bookmark option. So that is how you bookmark tweets on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.